Andres, your 2325. See, we put the function light LEDs in there. A little bit different color. This is Marantz 2325 full restoration. It's got everything. Every new big filters, new caps. I'm trying to do this by myself here at phono board. See the new caps on there. The caps down below here. These are film caps, polypropylene film. Diode mod that I do typically. Reliability. Part of a preamp board. You can see all the Nishikon gold caps in there. This is the tuner board. I think I have that on another video. Tone and preamp. That's been done. The bottom side, I have another video up on top here. Marantz 2325. Andres, is yours.